What makes China's J-10C fighter jet one of the most talked about aircraft today? The J-10C, also known as the Vigorous Dragon, is a modern multi-role fighter developed by China, designed for both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. It combines speed, advanced technology, and powerful weapons. The aircraft can reach speeds of around Mach 2, which is more than twice the speed of sound. One of its biggest strengths is its advanced AESA radar, which helps detect and track targets from long distances. The J-10C is also equipped with modern electronic warfare systems designed to improve its survivability in combat. Its PL-15 long-range air-to-air missile is considered one of the most capable missiles developed by China. Today, the J-10C serves as one of the key fighter jets of the Chinese Air Force and has attracted attention from military experts around the world. Fast, modern, and heavily armed, the J-10C represents China's growing capabilities in military aviation. You choose F-16 or J-10C.